Excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn at least $100 every hour by just copying and pasting some links. Before I give you the details of what I have for you today, my friend, let me just remind you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time and every time I drop a video. Yes, today I'm going to take you step by step on exactly what you have to do to make at least $100 an hour by just copying and pasting some links. Okay. Yes, my friend, I'm going to show you how you can earn at least $100 per hour pasting some links. And this is one of the easiest ways of making money online in 2020. Okay, so what do you expect from me today? Right, I'm going to show you websites where you are going to paste some links and you are going to make at least $100 per hour. And I'll show you the whole process and I'll take you step by step. And I'll give you a template which you're going to use. Actually, I'm going to give you templates that you're going to use, right? And I'll show you where to get your own affiliate link. You're going to get a link with your name so that when someone buys through that link, the money comes straight to you. $100, at least $100 per hour as you pick up and paste these links. This is one of the easiest ways of making money online, my friend. And I would urge you to watch every bit of this presentation because at the end, I'm going to make some cool announcement to you, okay? Our first website, my friend, where we are going to paste our link is called classifiedads.com. You find that on this website, people are coming to look at vehicles, trucks, and vans. Those who want to buy vehicles, they come right here. Services, automotive services, beauty, health and wellness, insurance, loan, garden, marketing services, moving and storage, rent, okay, housing wanted, mobile homes for rent. You find that real estate is right here. Okay, homes for sale. You find community, carpool, churches, free stuff, garage sales, pets. You've got everything. But the section which is of interest today for us is this one, the jobs one. Okay, so we are going to look at business opportunities right here and also sales jobs, right? So we are going to open this link and that's where we are going to create an advert under business opportunities. We can take the same opportunity, the same advert. We're going to use the same advert on sales jobs right here, right? So this is what we're going to do, right? You click business opportunities, right? You find here, there are other business opportunities, okay? If you can order a pizza, right? Make money online now, 2020, right? So these are other adverts that are there, right? So you're going to put your own advert right here, right? And how are you going to start, right? You're going to create your own ad right here. So category is jobs, right? The subcategory is business opportunities. And then your location, and then you put your ad title, which is work from home. Work from home sales agent needed, right? Work from home sales agent needed, no experience, okay? Right? Then asking price, you put 0, right? Then here, you are going to use a template. I've got a written template already for you. And we are just going to copy and paste it right here, right? So this is the template. I have it. You can pause the video if you want, and then you copy out this template. It says, seeking a dedicated sales consultant who is ready to learn and implement their skills. You create your own hours. A minimum of 2 hours per day would be a good start. Pay to expect is $3,000 for one sale. You get a mentor and we will teach you exactly how to close the deal. Hourly rate, $100, and it's 100% commission. No experience needed, just your dedication. Limited spots. Copy and paste this link into your browser to apply and start training. Right, so this is the ad that you're going to put on classified ads. Right, so once you have done that, you fill the rest of the details right here, and you click post this ad, and it goes. So now you might be asking, is there traffic that comes to classified ads? Yes, there is at least 3 million people who visit this website every month. Right, so traffic. So if we go to similarweb.com and analyze that, right, you can analyze the traffic that is visiting the classified website. You can see that there is a lot of traffic that is coming to this site, okay? 2.7 million visits per month. Right? And be sure that your ad is going to have some eyeballs, okay? Right, so the next site which you are going to use, my friend, is called Craigslist. You can go to Craigslist anywhere, depending where you are, but you can put your advert on the big cities like New York City and other places, right? This time we are not using the job section, but we are using the resume section. Why? Because if you want to put an ad right here under jobs, Craigslist will be particular about your location, where you are, right? And it will also want you to pay for the advert, right? So, but you are going to bypass that, and I'm going to show you how you're going to bypass that, okay? Right, you come where it says resumes right here, right? And we are in New York. This is Craigslist New York, and you find that these are the people who have dropped their resumes, and they are looking for money. They are looking for employment. They are looking for something to do. And you can see the date right here, 6th of February, and today is the 6th right here, right? So you find that it's an endless list right here. I don't know how many pages, but these are all from the 6th of February, okay? Right, but you can refine your search and just say work from home. Work from home jobs, all right? Work from home, right? Then you can see also that we've got 94 pages. We've got 94 pages right here. And you can see that I am seeking for work from home job, right? Mom seeks legit work from home position and all that, right? So what you do now, my friend, is that you take your template, you take your ad, and I'm going to give you, for Craigslist, there is a different ad which you're going to use, okay? You are not going to use your link straight away right here. You are going to wait for their reply. And this is the link you are going to send. Sorry, this is the advert that you're going to use. It says, seeking a dedicated sales consultant who is ready to learn and implement their skills. You create your own hours. A minimum of 2 hours per day would be a good start. Pay to expect is $3,000 for one sale. You get a mentor and we will teach you exactly how to easily close a deal. The deal. Hourly rate 100, and it's 100% commission. No experience needed, just your dedication, limited spots, and says now, respond to this advert for more information. Talk to you soon. And then you put your name right here. So you copy that advert, right? Then you go to these ones and you say, yes, right? You click that one. Then you see where it says reply right there. You click reply. click reply, and then you choose the email account which you want to use. Myself, I've got Gmail, I've got Yahoo, I've got Hotmail, right? So you just choose whichever you want to use, right? So we're doing it live, my friend, okay? So then you paste that ad, right? And then you send it, right? So the email is gone. And you go to the next one. You go to the next one. Mom is looking for that. Mom 6, right? You just go and you reply, send that reply. Okay? Right. So now, after you've done it, you've exhausted your link, you go to another city, Craigslist in another city, okay? Houston or somewhere, right? Wherever you want, right? And then you do the same process again and again. Make sure to change the email accounts right here. You go to Yahoo, you go to Hotmail, you go, so that you just make it a variety, okay? Right. So these people now, after seeing your ad in their email, right? They are going to reply, and they're going to say, yes, I'm interested, or they'll say, no, I'm not interested. It doesn't matter, right? But let me show you that this method works. I've already started to implement it, right? So you see here where it says Craigslist, right here, okay? So if we click that, you see my ad, my first ad which I sent, seeking dedicated sales consultant, right? And it went. And then this guy replied, and he said, thank you for getting in touch with me about your opportunity. I certainly am keen to hear more. Can I check that, right? And then, obviously, this person has given you the consent. He has given you the authority to send them now your link, right? So you don't need to spam these people, all right? It's not allowed to spam these people, to just spam your link straight away, but you send them a link so that you start to communicate, and you are asking for their consent so that you can send them your link now. All right. So now this is the reply that you're going to do. Let's go to my email. Right. So Nad right here replied, and then I sent a reply, and I say, hi Nad, it's Len. Thanks for reaching back. It's great that you are interested in getting more info. Please don't be afraid to put your name and your good email address in the form. You won't be spammed. You are dealing with genuine professional people, digital marketers. The link below has potential to change your life for good. All the training and your mentor are through this link, right? Copy and paste this link onto your browser if it is not clickable, right? So then they will click now that link, okay? And feel free to contact me anytime. All the best. Then you put your name right there. Let me give you, as the last piece of my presentation to you, I'll give you the just a taster of what is possible, right? So these are the different products that you'll be marketing, right? It will be all embedded in one link, the link which I'm talking about, okay? So look at this one, Ultra Accelerator. This product, it gives you, as a pro affiliate, gives you $2.999 thousand, right? I would encourage you to come as a pro affiliate so that you can get these commissions, right? So if someone buys this product through your link, you get 1,000. If they buy that one, you get 1,000. If they buy this one, you get 1,000. 1,000. That one, traffic Rolodex, 98. Per sale. Per sale, my friend. So the $100 which I'm talking about per hour, my friend, is just nothing, okay? Right, so if you are serious and you've got the guts to make money online, my friend, jump on this one. So my friend, if you found value in this presentation, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that I can notify you each time I drop a video. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, which is linked in the links above me right here or on the sides. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye for now.